You see this moment? It pretty much sums up how my month has been. Just me minding my own merry business when boom, life happens. Welcome to the pure roller coaster of the life of an ADHD girl in the middle of a panorama. Good morning, everyone. It is December 3rd, 2021. I would have liked to start this video on December 1st because I do believe this will be my first monthly vlog, but I just thought to myself I'd like to do monthly vlogs yesterday, which is December 2nd. And I actually have work this morning. I have to leave in about 15 minutes, so here we are. Can't slide. Good morning. It's 8 o'clock and I'm officially about to start my day and the things that I have to do. And first, that means eating breakfast. So on today's agenda, make the cake. What else is going on? I can't remember. So today I gotta make the cake, and then I need to, before I can make the cake, I gotta wash dishes. All right, so I'm gonna make a to-do list today because I don't mentally, how my brain is feeling, doesn't feel like a day for winging it. Just the freaking construction outside is just being so ridiculously loud. What are they doing? Ah! It's trash day, so that's what that noise is. Great. All right, noted. Wednesday is trash day. Alrighty. So I'm gonna write a to-do list today. So let's see here. What's today? December 15. So I need to wash dishes, bake the cake. I would like to pick up laundry. I still haven't unpacked and I've been back for 2 weeks. So that's what that's about. What else do I need to do today? You know, honestly, that's all I can remember. We're gonna start by washing dishes. Good morning, everyone. Today is the day that I drop off the cake. Let me just get myself situated here. Okay, so I'm coming on here. Can y'all see the smoke? Yeah, you can. I have an incense going. I hope that's not bothersome. I'm having a good morning because I just spent the last maybe like hour, a little over an hour, going through some footage from the trip I took to California. If you haven't seen already, now the smoke is going in my face. Come on, incense. I'm recording. There's some parts of the beginning of our trip that I didn't record. I won't say why because it'll spoil this upcoming, like, that particular vlog for you, but I was just going through the footage that she caught from that trip, and it's just so hilarious. I cannot wait to put it all together. It's from our first day together in California, in San Diego. So anyways, I haven't made it yet as I'm like right now as I'm speaking to the camera, but I have really hilarious ideas for how to present day one, and I think it's gonna be a good one. I think it's gonna be really funny. So go watch it. So today's plans, I went through the footage that's off my list. I gotta take this cake out and decorate it. Then I gotta bring the cake to Andrea's house before noon. And then I gotta go to work at 5. Straight from work, I'm going to the bar where Andrea is inviting people to celebrate her birthday. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Yesterday, we got our highest case number of COVID in the entire pandemic. It's never been that high. It was 3,768 people. I will be completely honest, I don't know how I feel about going to the bar right now, but I am gonna at least, at the very minimum, show my face. I don't think I'm gonna be getting close to nobody though. Nope. But I am gonna go at least show face. That's kind of my plan for the day. We have the cake. Honestly, I would be so upset right now if I had to make frosting. So I'm very glad that I decided not to. So basically I saw this cake on Instagram and it had a picture, a meme on it. It was funny because it was like, I'm here, but it was a struggle. That was the like vibe of the cake. This was the picture that was on it. So I printed that out. I printed it in different sizes because I didn't know what size I was gonna need. And better believe that I definitely got a little kind of tilt of the head when I went to go get it printed. Everything. Look at it. It's so cute. I think she's gonna love it. So the hard part of all this is going to be getting it to her on the bus. I'm going to have to be extremely careful. So let's see if I can get this thing. I wonder, let's see here. Let me make some space.
2 hours later.
Okay, I've got a box. I decided to wrap it. Wow, that looks dizzying now that I'm looking at it. Let's see, this is going to be a challenge. I'm afraid to touch it. I just put it in the fridge. Ooh, the frosting's nice and hard. Okay, dope. I kind of want to at least put it on a new foil. You know what? I'm afraid to take any chances. So it's gonna stay right here on this foil. And I'm going to attempt to get it into the box. it's literally the size of this cutting board is literally exactly the size of this box. That is just fucking luck. Oh, I'm so excited. Not gonna lie, the inside of the box looks a little crazy because how do you wrap the inside of a box? Like, it doesn't have to stay closed, you feel me? I just need it to like, okay. And then I could just put something on top of it, probably plastic, just so that, you know, debris and stuff doesn't come out. Or in, rather. All right. All right. Can kind of see it poking through in there. Happy birthday, Andrea.
Thank you, Vlog.
Did you have fun?
I did.
Yeah?
I'm like, I'm not gonna have a voice tomorrow.
I can tell already.
But like in good old birthday spirit, we're gonna go home,
Yeah.
eat, watch High School Musical, and then tomorrow morning, this morning, in a few hours, I will wake up very early and probably watch a slasher horror movie.
I thought you don't like horror movies.
I don't know, I just like sometimes when I'm like hangover in the morning, I just like to watch them. I don't like ghost movies, like demons and shit.
She always watches like scary movies in the
I
morning.
know
after,
that about you.
Like
Yeah.
I'm still sleeping and she like wakes
And you
up
wake up to-
hungover
Like
as
I
fuck,
don't mind
listening
slashers
to
because
slasher
slashers are
movies.
not gonna happen in real life.
It's
In Canada, Montreal, Canada, not in the States.
Can we acknowledge that it's stressful as fuck to wake up to though?
Yeah, yes, but also I feel like throwback to when we were walking to the grocery store from Encinitas.
Yeah.
And it was super sketch, and you were like, well, to be fair, if we die, they're gonna find us because I'm Canadian.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true though. I'm not
She's
lying.
not wrong.
I'm not wrong.
No, that's all I said
She just
too.
admitted she's not right.
No, I said I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it
I'm
was
the one who
happening.
said it. So I'm like, I'm not wrong. Like it's
No,
true.
but
Like, it's
literally,
like,
as she was saying it, we were walking through the most sketchy, dark, hiking, whatever the fuck
Yeah.
that was. I was like, you know what? You're not wrong, and I'm not even mad about
And
it. Which we had two very red conservative experiences in the 2 days we were there.
yeah, in Southern California.
Literally.
So literally,
Yeah.
we could have died.
No, you're not wrong. Yeah, no. Anyways, happy birthday. My hand is freezing, so I'm gonna stop now. But
Thank you. Can you keep the audio in the clip where you say like it burns? Please do it. If you can hear it.
oh my god, I'm dying. Oh man, it's been a day. It's been a week, bruh. Basically, The daily case count here is just extremely ridiculously high, and the labs are overflowed. It's December 23rd. I got tested actually almost exactly 24 hours ago, and it is very unlikely that I'll hear anything until after Christmas. I feel very like I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know if you ever get this feeling. I'm sure everyone goes through this, but I have a feeling that maybe people with ADHD go through it just a little bit more though, where your brain is going so fast, so incredibly fast, and there's so many things you know you can, should, or need to do, but like you can't figure out which one to do. And so you're just kind of floating around doing nothing, like literally just kind of walking around in a haze, like never really starting anything. I don't even know how to explain it. So now I'm just sitting here and like I don't know what to do with myself. It's very confusing, but it's just kind of like, it's frustrating. It's very frustrating. So yeah, I guess I don't really have an update other than that. I think I might watch some YouTube. See, here's the problem. Here's the problem when I get like this is I know there's a whole bunch of stuff I gotta do. And then part of me is like, if I'm feeling this way, I probably need to just chill. But because I've spent the entire day trying to force myself to get things done, I have a hard time finally accepting that I need to chill instead of trying to get things done. And at that point, I feel like I really don't deserve to chill and relax and like let my brain just, because I was not successful in my attempts to get things done the entire day. Do you see the problem? Do you see why I feel like I don't know what to do with myself? So at this point, I just gotta figure out, am I gonna force myself to try and do more things that I should do? Or am I going to allow myself to relax? And if I do, am I going to allow myself to beat myself up about it? Or am I going to strugglingly like tell myself that that's okay? Which is always really hard, for me at least. I'll tell you what though, saying it out loud sure does make me feel better because I don't usually tell anyone that. At this point I'm rambling, but my life's a mess right now. Okay. Well, don't know where I was going with that, but thank you for listening, as I always say to my friends when I'm rambling. Thank you for listening. Guess we'll see where this takes us. Or if I even turn the camera back on after this. I'm so happy. I just got my COVID test results, which I didn't think I would get on Christmas. I thought I wasn't gonna hear till Monday, but I am negative, which I knew I was, but you know, that's something you can't just leave up to your gut feeling. That's something you actually have to check. That means I can actually leave the house today if I want to and like go for a Christmas stroll like I had thought of doing. I feel so much better already. Ow! Oh my god. Jeez. Oh. It's not a fun way to be in the morning. Anyways, good morning, everyone. Today is December 28th. It's been a second since I've turned this on for the sake of this monthly vlog that, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even started editing it, so we'll see what happens. So today I've got a plethora of things to do. Booster, bank, the post office. These are not in order, by the way. I gotta pick up some books at the library that are on hold for me, and then I am gonna go to the magic shop, I feel like that sounds weird, like it's just a place that sells things for magic tricks, but like I mean like basically the new age slash witchy store. I want to get some incense for the new year and the new moon, which is basically like the third day of the new year. I also have to take my tree down. I also got to go pick up my paycheck, which I couldn't get last week because I had to isolate myself until I got my test results, which I just got on Christmas. So that's kind of my day. I figured since there's things going on in my life today other than just me sitting at home doing stuff on my laptop, that today is a good day to record. So yeah, we'll see where this goes. I feel like there's something else I wanted to say, now I can't remember. Let's do it.
So here's the update. The bank was closed for the holidays, like not just on the holiday, but like basically until the 4th, except they will be open for a few hours. They're closed for 2 weeks, and it's the same for the post office. Now I'm gonna go to the witchy store, and then I'm gonna go to the library, and then I'm gonna go home. Also, it was so cute, the vaccination area. They had a comfort dog that was just walking around. It was so freaking fluffy. I wish I would have got video, but it was so cute, and I think it's such a great idea because these some worrying times, you know, so.
So it is now 2:04. I'm back home, but I figured since I, one, didn't turn on my camera for this vlog during Christmas, and two, didn't open anything for Christmas, I figured why not open a couple of things that I've been waiting to open and call that Christmas. The first thing, let me get it out the tree here. So when I went to go visit my family for my grandfather's funeral, we were looking for games and like activity type stuff for like a little family night right after Thanksgiving, and I found these. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with the Rugrats. It was my favorite show, like my favorite cartoon growing up. It's still one of my favorites. I will say SpongeBob is probably my favorite now as an adult, but this is my favorite kids cartoon as a child. They're like little figurines, little collectibles, and you don't know what you're gonna get till you open it, and I have not opened it. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna open the bag that I just got at the library. I think I'm gonna do the bag first though. So let's see. This is so exciting. The Last Exiles, a novel. That looks interesting. Very cool. Next one, Quality Land, a novel. Oh, international bestseller. That looks fascinating. Very funny and very scary, my kind of book. The biggest company, the perfect algorithm. What could possibly go wrong? Now I see why it's very scary. Welcome to Quality Land, the best country on earth. Oh boy. Yeah, this is giving me the heebie-jeebies. That's fucking creepy. I don't know if I'll be able to read that one. And the last one, The 3-Minute Philosopher. Ooh, yes. I actually think I'll find this one very helpful. Inspiration for modern life. Okay, cool. That is so cute. Love it. Oh, so excited. Okay, next up we have the Rugrats collectibles. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't even know which one I want. Also, why isn't there Susie or Angelica on here? Like, I know why, but like, or Reptar. Why is there no Reptar? I do not approve. Anyways, when I saw this in the store, I'm gonna need something sharp. When I saw these in the store, I was like, oh cool, I'll get one. And then I saw who the options were and I was like, if I get one of the twins and not the other one, I'm going to be livid. So even though I could get two and get one of the twins still, at least this will increase my chances of having the twins as a complete set. So I got two of them. Let's see. I'm so excited. Okay, how do I open it? What the fuck? No, you're kidding. I got... I'm dead. Bruh, I'm so dead. What are the fucking chances? I wasn't even gonna mention why I got two, and I'm so glad I did because it makes the opening that much better. Oh my fucking god. Oh, it's so exciting! I got Lillian.
Maybe they got lost in the dirty clothes hamper. Lillian.
Yo, I like legitimately have goosebumps. I don't know if you can tell. Yep, you can tell because that's how fucking excited I am that I got. Okay. If this one is Phil, I'm going to lose my shit. If it's not, that's fine. But if it is, I will actually fucking lose it. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. Oh, I got two Lils. What? No! That's all right. That's so cute. I bet you they were all Lils. But that's all right because they would switch bows all the time. So whatever, we'll just pretend it's Phil. Oh, that's so cute. All right. I guess that's my Christmas opening content. That's all we're getting for Christmas because I've been over it for days. I've been mostly looking forward to the new year. So that's all we're getting for Christmas.